Most people work for money their entire life. Wake up, go to work, pay bills, repeat. Year after year, they stay tired, stressed, and financially stuck. Not because they are lazy, but because nobody taught them how money actually grows. Here's the truth. If you only work for money, you will always have limits. Because your time is limited, your energy is limited. But investing changes the game. Because investing means your money starts working for you. And once money starts working, everything changes. Now listen carefully. This is not a get-rich-overnight video. This is real-world thinking, real strategy, real mindset, because many people lose money trying to get rich fast. They chase hype, they follow fake gurus, they invest emotionally, and then they wonder, why am I still broke? So in this video we're going to talk about where money can grow, which investments are safer, which investments are risky, why mindset matters more than money, and how normal people start building wealth. First truth, money grows where value grows. This is important. Money does not magically multiply. Money grows where value grows. That's why rich people don't just save money. They place money into things that can increase in value over time. Now let's talk about the most common places people invest. 1. Investing in skills, most underrated. Before stocks, before business, before real estate. The best first investment is yourself, because skills can pay you for the rest of your life. Learning, selling, marketing, business, communication, content creation, online skills can completely change your income. A person with no skills always struggles harder, but a skilled person can create opportunities anywhere. And the beautiful part? Nobody can easily take skills away from you. 2. Small business. Now let's talk about business. Business is one of the fastest ways to multiply money. Why? Because a business can grow without limits. A salary usually has a limit, but business growth, potentially unlimited. And today, starting small businesses is easier than ever, especially online. People are selling clothes, digital products, accessories, home products, services, online courses, handmade items, even from home. The goal is simple. Buy or create value, then sell it at profit. That's business. Started very small. 3. Real estate. Now another powerful investment, real estate. Land, houses, rental properties. Why do wealthy people love real estate? Because real estate can generate long-term growth, monthly income, asset value increase. Over time, good properties often become more valuable. And rental income can create cash flow. But real estate usually needs more money to start. That's why many people begin smaller first. 4. Stock market. Now let's talk about stocks. When you buy stocks, you buy small ownership in companies. If those companies grow, your investment can grow too. But here's the important part. The stock market is not gambling if done correctly. The problem is, many people invest emotionally. They panic, they chase hype. They want fast money. That's dangerous. Smart investors think long-term. Patience matters. Knowledge matters. Discipline matters. 5. Online business and digital opportunities. The internet changed everything. Today, people build businesses from phones, content creation, YouTube, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, digital products. Some people laugh at these things until they see the income. And the powerful thing about online business, low startup cost. Sometimes people start with almost nothing. But remember, online success still requires work, consistency, patience, skill. Biggest investment mistakes. Now let's talk about mistakes. Because many people destroy themselves financially, trying to get rich quickly. Here are dangerous mistakes. X. Investing money you cannot afford to lose. X. Following hype blindly. X. Copying random influencers. X. Wanting instant success. X. Not learning before investing. Never invest emotionally, and never think easy money, because easy money thinking usually leads to hard losses. The real secret, mindset. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Investment success starts in the mind. Poor mindset says, I need money now. Growth mindset says, I'm building something long-term. That one difference changes financial futures. Rich people often think in years. Poor people think only about today. That's why patience matters. Right now, someone with less money than you is building something, learning, trying, failing, growing, while many others keep waiting for the perfect moment, perfect idea, perfect opportunity. But successful people understand the perfect time rarely comes. You start first, then you improve. That's how growth works. Your first investment may be small, but small beginnings can create massive futures. A single decision today can completely change your life later. The key is, start intelligently, learn continuously, stay patient, because wealth is usually built slowly, not overnight. Final message, if you truly want your money to grow, stop thinking only about spending. Start thinking about building skills, building assets, building income sources, building your future. Because one day you will either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I started earlier. The choice is yours.